welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I'm a couple days late. Y'all mad at me? I promise it's worth the wait though, because I made some pad see ew. I haven't had pad see ew in years, obviously. I think I went to a Thai restaurant one time a couple years ago and I ordered like pad see ew with no fish sauce and stuff. Like, depending on the restaurant, they can accommodate you, but like you have the peace of mind making this vegan pad see ew. It was so incredibly good. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so part of the reason why I'm late, several reasons, is that I was like, okay, I know I can make this. I got some rice flour in my pantry because I made something that required glutinous rice flour. Thinking I was gonna save, you know, a little buck. First of all, like rice flour is really like $1.99. I think I'm gonna save me a little buck or something. Like I was like, okay, cool. And I was like, I wonder how much like glutinous rice flour will affect this. And if you already knew that, okay, Bill Nye, calm down, my bad. So I have to go back to the Asian market to get some rice flour, but we move. So one of the things that pad see ew is known for, like one of the hallmark traits of it, is the fact that it has to be thick rice noodles. And I really enjoyed making this, like, because I had so much control over like the thickness of it. I could do whatever I wanted. And they were really easy to make. You have a cup of rice flour, a half cup of tapioca starch, and 1 1/2 cup of water. This is like the universal recipe. Anywhere you look, you're gonna find this recipe. So yeah, really easy to make. You need a steamer. If you don't have a steamer, you could ball up aluminum foil and put it at the bottom of the pan and then like stack your thing on top of it. I had no aluminum foil, but I remembered I had a bamboo steamer. So yeah, it was really easy to do. And if you're wondering like why my rice noodles, look at that, it's perfect. If you're wondering like why my rice noodles look like Swiss trees, you trying to be funny or something? This is a joke to you? It's a game? Don't worry about that. The reason why that happened is you have to put oil at the bottom of whatever thing you're steaming it in, and you gotta put a little bit of oil on top so they don't stick together. And you know the saga of me not having a brush, but I'm gonna order one because I remembered this time, because it finally affected me in a way that it affected the aesthetic. Like, I like the holy look. It gives like rustic, it gives like, you know, inventive, but that's not how they're supposed to look. So I'm gonna order a brush. But yeah, super easy to make, but can't tell you to lie, you know, if you could find rice noodles, I will skip it. I didn't really even look at my Asian market to see if they had any, to be honest. I already had my mindset on making them myself, but can't tell no lie, y'all, darling. I don't know about the next time. Even though, like, when I tasted the final result, I was like, oh, they like it eats, so maybe. Okay, so also what this recipe features is gailan. I cannot lie, gailan a little high. Like a little high, and I was trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of my gailan. I got the smallest bag, $4.79 for some vegetables. Are you crazy? Like, Joe, Kamala, what's tea? Like, why? But I don't know what would be a good substitute if you don't have Chinese broccoli by you. I don't know, maybe kale. Listen, if that's not right, I don't know. I'm just trying to think about how the gailan like sauteed down. It reminded me of kale, so do with that information what you will. Do not come for me. Okay, how to make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vegan oyster sauce. It's been years. I've been looking for this vegan oyster sauce. I was like, I took a chance. I found it in my little sauce aisle at the Asian market. If you don't find that, oyster sauce, because that was planned. That's what I had in the fridge. Okay, sugar, rice wine vinegar to cut the flavors. And this is not original, but sesame oil. Like, let's be for real. I'm finna add sesame oil. Okay, time to saute it up. I will put the garlic and the gailan together because I still want a little bit of a crunch. So with what I had was gailan tips. I didn't even realize that until like I read the package. I'm like, oh, some people get like whole gailan and you're supposed to, I've seen people like you saute the stubs. That's not what it's called. I mean, I ain't no botanist. What's it called? The bottom part, the stem. That's crazy. Okay, you saute the stems first and then you add the leaves. But I'm really like a 1, 2, 3 type of girl. Like, I ain't doing all that. But I didn't even have no stems on mine. So I end up doing the little booty butts of the gailan. That's not what it's called. Away. And then saute everything together because I wanted some crunch. It was fine. It worked for me. The way you want to do it in your kitchen. All right, darling. So here go my rice noodles. Aren't they cute? yeah, get into it. I let them sit in some sesame oil to char a little bit before I added my sauce, and it's real saucy. So you can use less if you want to, but I went for it. That's what I went for. Okay, this recipe also supposed to have egg. We're vegan babes, we don't eat egg, and I'm in my era where just egg does not give me the ick. Okay, that's where I'm at. I went to 2 stores looking for just egg. When Whole Foods and Kroger ain't have it, I said, just egg don't even give like that for me to be searching the planet. So I left it out. If you have just egg be funny though. Like, is it a supply shipment issue? Like, what's going on with y'all? Cause I'm like, I'm finally ready to eat it, you know, my quarterly just egg obsession. And ain't had nothing. So you could add some vegan egg. You could saute it in the pan if you like. I use fried tofu. I think traditionally it's supposed to be like a vegan beef, but traditionally for us, vegan beef. But I used fried tofu because I love fried tofu. And yeah, it came out so good. When I was smacking, I was like, oh yeah, you ate this up. I topped it with like bean sprouts and green onion and cilantro and chili oil. Be serious. I'm so sorry. Like this, I'm gonna have to make this a regular part of my little rotation. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. Cause you know some of my videos. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.